An Insight application can be run in test mode as a standalone application outside of the Xpress Insight server. As shown in the Python source file of the Portfolio Optimization example app included in the Xpress Optimization suite, the easiest way to set up the test environment, which includes the temporary working directories, is with the help of the predefined factory function createApp. In this example, the test mode for the Insight app object is set up by default on the initialization portion of the Python script. Execution modes are then programmed to run sequentially via the callExecModes method of the Insight application object. You can use the test mode for running different scenarios of values assigned to Insight entities, simulating the behavior of a UI user. With this initialization code, 10 potential scenarios are simulated in one run by incrementing the value of the input entity max high risk from 0 to 1 in steps of 0.1 and by calling the run execution mode after each increment. The data connector property allows you to save any modified entity values in between execution modes by calling its save input method. This method must be called prior to call exec mode in case any entity has had their value modified. By running the Python source file, results are displayed in the console, allowing you to confirm that your Python model is behaving as expected without having to publish the Insight app. In this case, we observed that the expected return decreases when the fraction of the budget that can be allocated to high-risk shares is more restricted, validating the correct functioning of the Python model.